Core harass families at Dustville. Well friends, the megacorps are at it again. A truckload of their goons came by the Dustville camp yesterday and tore into the folks there trying to scare them off. The goons weren't giving out names, but it seems a friend of ours ran the net, and she figures them for Petrochem's own brand of slime.
Have more information at our webpage.
Hola, what's happening? No cap in my caption.
You're listening to Pebkac Radio.
Hola, what's happening? No cap in my caption. Got a little baddie and she texting for the addy, cause I got a little thing for when a bitch get ratchet. The ratchets love snow. Soy la mexicana con tremendo flow. Tengo todo el control. Cierra los ojos. Baby, let's go, 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 go. Hola.
You're listening to Pebkac Radio.
Got a problem?
Underwater satellite wells, which last year produced 30% of the crude oil brought to the surface in North America. Petrochem, which operates the platform for a consortium of major energy corps, is sending security and investigation teams to the platform. The Hibernia platform was constructed in the 1990s at a cost of some 20 billion euro. No immediate reason for the attack is known.
Night City residents have recently reported seeing people falling from buildings. And again, the community is divided. Are they suicides or are they covert murders?
I never thought I could